everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. We've got a heat wave here in Indiana. I think it's about 95 out there. So I'm getting a lot of feedback and a lot of people are wanting me to show some tiny homes. So I jumped into this 14 by 52 little 2-bedroom, 1-bath. And nice wide open space here. When you walk in, you're gonna see the living area. Now when I flip over to my right, this will be the 2nd bedroom. I know some of you are gonna say, oh my gosh, that's so small, but there are people who are just looking for small. So this is a 14 by 52. That would put us, I don't know, 800 square feet or so. Here we come into the kitchen, and this is an interesting kitchen because a lot of times you're gonna see an L-shaped kitchen, but here we actually have a U-shaped kitchen. So that's always neat. I think they did the classic colors in here with the black and white, thunder on the floor, did a microwave over the range and a dishwasher. That's always important when you're working with a small space. Also took the cabinets to the ceiling. Mwah. I think that's a perfect addition to add if you're looking for more storage in a small kitchen. Of course, this is a Champion home made by Champion Homes here in our Topeka facility. This is also an Energy Star efficient home, which is important because I know locally here, they do offer a credit on your electric bills if you purchase an Energy Star efficient home. So just stepping back here so you guys can take a good look. Let's look at the space in between there where you could put some bar stools. I would say the saddle stools would work best. Coming down into the hallway, right here, you're gonna find the back door with the panel box and the laundry area. Now, what I love about this floor plan is you can see this is the door to the bathroom, but also through the primary bedroom, you can get an optional door. Here's the primary bedroom. In the 14 wides, you're gonna see a 30 by 61 window. We could enlarge it if you want us to for about 147 bucks currently. There's the closet. And this is what I was talking about. What's great about this home is even though it's a small 14 wide, a lot of times you'll see in the 14 wides, it's tough to get a shower in there, but if it's gonna be a little dark in here. Hey everybody. But as you can see, we've got plenty of space between the toilet and the tub shower combination. Here's the rule. I need about 8 inches farther out than this tub is to be able to get a walk-in shower. So if you're looking at a floor plan and you see the toilet is right there beside the tub, ain't gonna happen. But if you find a nice space like that, plenty of room to get a walk-in shower. So keep that in mind as you're looking through the floor plans if you're really thinking about getting a walk-in shower in there. Nothing we can do about it. It's engineering. Nothing our engineering team can do about it. There are just certain spaces where it's just not possible for us. But if you're looking for a small home, a small tiny home actually, tiny and cute, this is the home for you. 2-bedroom, 1-bath. You'll find all the details in the space below. Guys, give me a call, 260-383-1009. As always, thanks for watching.